I've just completed my morning workout and I want to show you what I'll be eating for today. So, although we plan, things don't normally go according to plan, can either eat more or less depending on how the body feels, because I really like to listen to my body. And if my body hungry, yeah, if my body want food, and I don't mean cravings or um just boredom and eating out of boredom. I mean, the difference between hunger and just eating because food is there, or just eating because you're bored. So let me show you what my fruits before noon will look like. All right, so this is the plan for today. I have 4 oranges that I'm going to be eating now. This is my coconut water. I had some before I started working out, as you can see, and I'll have some now as well. But these are the 4 oranges, a tangerine, and then these are 4 June plum, 2 sweet sop, a big Julie mango, 2 bag of canes. This should serve me until 12 o'clock. And then I'll decide after if I am still hungry. So the principle we're working with is eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied. So although the plan is for me to eat these fruits before noon, it may end up being that this is all I eat for the day, because if I'm not hungry, I'm not going to force myself to eat. So yeah, so the plan is for before noon, but this can be a full day's set of meal, right? So I'm showing you how simple this life can be. So even if you are part of the 21 days raw challenge, you see that Mother Nature already prepared those meals. I don't have to do no preparation. I eat the orange as is, the tangerine as is, the mango as is, the coconut water as is, the cane. Mother Nature already did all the cooking for me. So I don't have to do that work. So I just wanted to show you how simple it is, how easy it is. You don't have to think about. So even though we show some recipes on the channel, if you're doing the 21 days raw challenge, or if you decide to eat this way or eat more fruits and vegetables, you don't have to be thinking that you need to be a raw chef, right? You just need to eat the fruits as is. That's it. How much more simple you want it than that? You don't have to be over stove cooking and seasoning and doing all of those things. You don't need to do that. But if you want to do that, we have the recipes on the channel that you can watch to do that. All right?
Grateful, yes, I'm grateful. I've been hungry, now my plate full. Ever learning, always faithful. Grateful, yes, I'm grateful. I've been hungry, now my plate full.
Alright, so it's almost 8 p.m. and this is what is left in the box. So to be clear, I did not need to eat anything else. Everything in the box that you saw held me for the entire day, and I still had 2 of the tangerine and 1 of the orange left. So you see that eating raw, well, this is for me, everybody is different, but you can see how easy and simple it is. You just find fruits that you love and enjoy, and you don't have to prepare anything. Just find fruits that you enjoy and eat it as is, like I did today.
So that's it. That's what I eat in a fully raw day.